Fed rate cuts is going to happen today, but there are some important things we need to take note of as we approach this rate cut in the next few hours. Look at this on Forex Factory. You see Fed fund rates. The previous year is 4.50%, okay, and then the forecast is 4.25. That means the market already expects that Fed cut rate by 25 basic points, okay, from 4.50 to 25. That is what the market is expecting. That is what economists forecast. So if the market is expecting this, and if you come to the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin already moved into this area, it means that the market has already priced into this very outcome. I want to explain some things for you so that you know what's going on and the action you should take after and before the Fed fund rate is released today. So if the market already priced in, or the market has been moving all the way upward to these very points, I'm on the 4-hour chart, and this is what was forecasted. So if we see this as the outcome, that is the actual turns to be 4.25, what I am expecting is for the market to move 50% bullish, okay? 50% bullish, because the market has been expecting this. That means even though I see the market come back down, I am very sure that the market is going to do what? Bounce up aggressively. And it's going to be 50% bullish move, okay? Now, another thing is, if this is what we are expecting, okay, forecast, that's the expectation, and then the actual turned out to be 4.25. But during the FOMC meeting, this very guy right here, this FOMC conference, where Powell will be making some very important statements, not only that, he will be answering questions, okay? Now, during that period, if Fed becomes so dovish, that means signaling more rate cuts next month and in December, that means I will be expecting 75% aggressive bullish move to the upside. Why? Because the FOMC meeting is very important. That is why in some time when the federal fund rate is released, you may not see movement either upward or downward, but during the FOMC meeting or after the FOMC meeting, you tend to see aggressive crazy move in the market. Why? Because traders are waiting, or investors are waiting for what the Fed chairman, in the person of Jerome Powell in this case, is going to say concerning future rate cuts or their projection. Okay, so if we see forecast turn to be actual, but Powell signal more rate cuts in the future, then I'm expecting 75% bullish move all the way to the upside, even though market bump a little bit, okay? Very important. Now, this is another scenario again. If this very forecast is 4.25% and the rate cut happens to be 50%, that means actual now turn 4.00, that is 4%. That means there is a 50% basic point or 50 basic point rate cut, anyhow you put it. That means I am expecting a 90% aggressive drastic move all the way to the upside. I mean bullish move. Now what that also means is that even though I see the market come back down a little bit, market is going to increase drastically all the way to the upside. These are the three scenarios that you need to pay attention to. So that is why I'm going to be doing a follow-up video using Jerome Powell's FOMC speech and do an in-depth analysis of what Fed have said and what I think is going to happen in the future tomorrow. And that video is very important. That is why I need to watch that video once it's out. So these are the three scenarios I'm expecting. If, number one, the forecast turns to be actual and everything remains the same, Fed do not make any dovish statement, then I will expect market to come back down, then market move upward. And then if Fed cut rate 25%, okay, that is forecast on actual, but Fed chairman make a very dovish statement, which means more future rate cuts, then I'm expecting 75, even though market down a little bit, market is going to move upward. And then the last one is if we see 50% basic points, 50% basic point cut, or 50 basic point cut, then that means I am expecting a 90% bullish move. What that means is if market was expecting a rate cut of 25 basic points and it now turned out to be 50, it means Fed is very, very dovish, and liquidity is going to flow into the market because people can now borrow even at a very lower rate compared to when it's 4.25 basic points, which is very important. So these are the things you need to note right now before that very interest rate cut is going to happen, plus the FOMC meeting. So one thing you need to do right now is after the rate cut, which is going to happen 30 minutes before the FOMC meeting, please take note of the market, what the market is doing, and then during the FOMC meeting and after the FOMC meeting, take note of the market as well and what market is going to do next. Very important. These are the three scenarios that I'm expecting in this very market today, and from what I sense the Fed is going to do. Now, somebody may be asking, what if Fed does not cut rates? In my opinion, there is no reason why Fed should not cut rate right now. I believe personally that Fed should cut rate, okay? And another question can be, by how many basic points? Is it 25 basic points? Is it 50 basic points? Personally, I can't tell right now, okay? People are projecting 25, as you can see right here. The economists right on Forex Factory are already saying by 25% basic point, okay? And everybody now know that the possibility of them cutting 25 basic point is there, but I am expecting between 25 and 50. But we need to listen to the Fed chairman during the FOMC meeting. That is very, very important. Once we get the statement and then we analyze the statement, then it's going to really point to whether Fed is going to do more rate cuts this very year. Personally, I'm expecting the least 2 rate cuts this year. So if they cut 25 now, they will cut 25 again. And if they cut 50, they are going to cut another 25, okay? And next year, if inflation goes down, that is the CPI data goes down, because the tools that Fed do use for interest rate decision is number one, the CPI, very, very important, the CPI, okay? Consumer Price Index. If it comes out to be very good, that is inflation begin to cool down even much more than we see last month and the months before, then I am on for a more rate cut. Another thing is the GDP, okay? If the GDP become very, very strong and increasing all the way to the upside, maybe making, let's say, all-time highs or maybe 2 years high, then they're going to cut rate. That means the economy is very strong. Another one is the PPI, okay? This is Producer Price Index, PPI. If the PPI come out to be very, very good as well, that is all things being equal next year, I am looking for even more rate cuts. And it's going to happen. It's going to pump crypto as well, even though some person may be expecting the bear market. I don't think if all this is making significant positive progress, more rate cut is going to come next year, in my opinion. So these are the key two among others that the Fed use to decide if they're going to be a rate cut or a rate hike. For now, you may be asking, what if Fed hike rates? That is off the table for me. Fed cannot hike rate right now because everything is moving positively to the permanent side or to the good side. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys, if you really want to be in the right direction of the market. And if you come to coin market cap, you discover that there is an increase with this global crypto market capitalization from 4.01 that we saw yesterday in the last 24 hours to $4.02 trillion. Okay, a little bit more liquidity have been added to the crypto market. The altcoin index, we saw 71 yesterday, today is 70 over 100, not bad, is good. And then coins are not doing bad as well. Okay, so these are the things you need to pay attention to. And like I said earlier, tomorrow I will release a very important video of the Fed FOMC meeting, analyzing it carefully bit by bit and what you should expect in the future, because knowing only what the cut rates to be or what the actual come out to be is not enough. You must analyze Fed chairman's statement during the FOMC meeting. That is one of the things that investors use to know whether Fed is going to cut rates in the future or not, because that is very important for investing. So that is all you need to know now, guys. Pay attention to this very news release coming out very few hours from now. And if you've not joined the Telegram channel, you are missing out a lot. That very altcoin to buy is coming out very soon, anytime this very week or before the weekend. Join the Telegram channel right now, link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment to know the altcoin that you should be holding for the aggressive pump coming into this very market. That is the altcoin season. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, link below right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.